Hey, good evening, monsters. Welcome back to the premier live musical program on radio. This is a concert series. I'm your host, Rico Robles. The part you clap, audience. Yeah, such enthusiasm. Join us tonight, a singer-songwriter who hails from Bicol. She's actually known as Bicol's enchantress, Diwata. She finds joy in creating songs with her native language. Her ability to connect cultural elements with relatable experiences makes her music captivating blend of artistry and relativity. Yep, her latest single, Pauwi na ako, Dito Ka Na Lang, is an upbeat of pop track that expresses Diwata's excitement of going back home and experiencing a love filled with comfort and security. Written as an ode to her hometown and as a love letter to the person she considers her greatest confidant. Pauwi na ako, Dito Ka Na Lang showcases Diwata's earnest songwriting style, which combines Filipino and Bicolano language to convey a narrative that is both inclusive and personal. We hear that song in just a bit and chat with Diwata and what's the secret behind the cooking. If you know what I'm talking about, we'll get to talk to her in just a bit. But first, let's check out last week's guest. Here's Paul Pablo on Farnak here on the concert series.
Monster RX 93.1.
Inaantay ko talo.
There you go, Diwata joining us the concert series. We are live. Of course, they just arrived. Is it from Bicol?
Yes.
What? Yeah, you're on. You're heard.
Nice.
Welcome to the concert series.
Thank you so much.
It's my first time to meet you.
Nice
So
to
how
meet you
doing?
po.
How you doing?
Nilalamig po ako.
Nilalamig?
Yes, kasi
Hey,
lamig ng aircon.
we'll have that turned down for you. But you know, the journey of music for you, when did it all get started? Kailan nagsimula? Pagkabata ba? I know that you joined some sort of a singing, a songwriting
yeah.
camp.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, ano pa po since bata pa po ako, parang sinasali lang ng parents ko sa mga voice lessons, sa bandurria class, violin class, mag-drawing din. Pero nung senior high school
of the arts talaga.
Yes.
Okay. Then senior high school.
Senior high school, dun po ako natutong magsulat ng songs. Dahil sa isang songwriting workshop.
So when you were growing up with of course the mom and the dad telling you to do the lessons, was it para bang I want you to be the next Lea Salonga, I want you to be the next Regine Velasquez?
Hindi naman po nila pressure ng
Hindi
gano'n.
Hindi yung Beat It Babies, hindi naman, hindi ka sinali sa Beat It Baby.
Hindi po. Parang mas gusto po nila nun yung parang yung mga ballad lang ng mga songs na parang Mara, ganun.
But were your parents into songwriting too?
No.
They were?
Yeah.
Nobody was into music?
Kumakanta lang po sa video, okay.
Yun. Well, that's how it all starts. So
yes.
you're a karaoke baby.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
then
Ang go-to song ko. Wala, hindi naman,
What's a go-to song?
If I Ain't Got You. Sample po.
Oh, sige, go. Go. Oh, piano. Piano man. Oh, go. 3, 2,
Ako
chorus.
talaga yung nagano ng sample.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ayan. Alam ko pa yung number niyan eh.
5, 4, 3.
Wait lang, tama ng intro. Lyrics na tayo, te. Sige, tuloy. Some people live for the fortune, yeah. Some people live just for the fame, baby. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the games. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. And I've been there before, but that life's a bore. So for the superficial. Hindi ko na You're a great singer!
89! Ganun 93! Good job! So nung nakita ng magulang mo yun, sabi, uy, may potential to. And then?
Ayun na po. The rest is history.
Okay. But you know the journey. Okay, so you were singing, you had the bandurria when you were growing up. Kailan mo nalaman na music is something that I want to do?
Nang narinig ko yung mga songwriters din sa paligid ko, yung mga sinusulat lang kanta, sobrang na-touch ako, na-move ako doon. And biglang nag-gig ako, tapos naririnig ko yung mga tao sumasabay sa kanta ko. Sabi ko, okay, this is what I want.
Hey, okay. And then the genre is folk.
Yes. Actually po, nung una reggae yung genre ko.
Reggae, talaga?
Yeah, Rastafarian, ganun.
Yay, okay. So, and then you just had to change it up because, is it because the love for songwriting or you gusto mo ipakita yung Bicolano culture more?
Pwede naman kasi po ibang genre din. Pwede ko pa naman mapakita yung culture ko sa iba't ibang genre. Pero mas naging close talaga sa heart ko yung genre folk, pop.
Eh, nice. And with your song earlier, what's the story behind that? Is that about love?
Tungkol po siya sa someone na tinuturing mong tahanan. And mapayapa ka kapag kapiling mo siya.
Do you feel that now?
Wala pa po eh. Sa magulang ko po, sa family.
Family.
Yes.
Kasi you're so busy touring, being the rock star that you are. Diba? Alam mo, may in-interview ako, talagang kahati mo eh. Pangalan niya si Gika Marie. I want you guys on a reality show. I would want you guys.
Ang chaotic ata.
Sobra. Okay, so, and then, of course, you did mention, you won awards, di ba?
Yes,
upon the songwriting, when you were winning awards, when you were nominated for it, how did that feel?
Di ko pa alam. Legit na, wala talaga ako maisip nun. Bakit ko deserve yun? Oh my God. Parang,
and for what song?
Padaba Taka.
Okay, Padaba Taka.
Yes.
That's Bicolano.
Yes, it's Mahal Kita.
Mahal kita, padabat baka. Okay,
Padaba
I want to
Taka.
get padabat aka.
Padaba Taka.
Taka. Okay, padabat taka. Okay, my mom is from Daet. I was selling them from Paracale. And what's the trait of a Bicolana?
Oragon.
What's that mean?
Brave.
Brave, yes, palaban.
Palabaran.
Oh, and your songs are palaban.
Medyo. Pero mas kasi siya, mas mas parang pang love.
Yeah.
Palaban ako pagdating sa pag-ibig.
You're willing to fight for it.
Yes.
But you know, the technicalities kapag sa folk music, one of them, other than the songwriting, is the guitar playing.
Yes.
Hindi madali. You're going beyond the D-A-G-A, the C's. You know, I was seeing
the basic chord progressions.
Yeah, I'm seeing you play earlier. It's like,
yeah.
Galing.
Thank you.
And with your band as well. Sumasabay, no?
Very magaling.
Sumasabay, di ba? I mean, when would you find out na this is something that I want to do as a career?
Ano po? Actually, di ko talaga po siya maalala na parang biglang sabi ko, okay, parang ginagawa ko na lang siya everyday na nasasanay na po ako na parang, okay, gusto ko na tuloy na ganito everyday. Parang nagkakaroon po ako ng sakit pag wala pong ginagawa.
So it's really the passion, no? It's a passion,
yes.
And it carries through. Then the story behind you and Ben. What's the story behind that?
Ano po eh. So yung dun po sa songwriting camp, dun po ako natutong magsulat ng songs and isa po sila sa nag-mentor po din sa akin.
Ano yung
and
mga
dun sa ibang campers.
tinuro sa inyo ng, you know?
Ano po, yung ginawa po nila is
Can you remember?
Di ko po remember yung like mga sinabi po pero
oh yeah, of course.
pero pinarinig po namin sa kanila yung mga original songs namin. So parang krinitik nila. Yung pinarinig ko po sa kanila is yung Mapagbirong Tagpuan which is released na rin po on all streaming platforms. And parang sinabi nila na may tatanggalin dito, masyadong mahaba and meron pa basta marami po silang sinabi na na hanggang ngayon po nilalagay ko pa rin siya sa mga songs ko.
But as a songwriter, when you hear something like that, kasi you're putting yourself, your vulnerable self with a pen and paper and your chords, your purest expression. And then you have someone, I know they're established, but you have somebody as big as Ben or maybe your mom and dad tells you, oh, medyo lagay mo to konti doon.
Yes.
Are you okay with that? Or do you
Actually,
feel like parang bang, no, ito yung version ko eh.
Ano po eh, ako po kasi mas open talaga po ako sa mga mga criticisms po ng tao or like mga suggestions po nila kasi syempre hindi lang naman po ako yung makikinig sa music ko.
Yeah.
So kailangan ko rin po ng feedback from them.
So when you're writing, so you're writing your songs, you have all that. Who do you think of?
Ulo?
Maganon. I mean, like, there's some people who dedicate it to their lolas, to their lolos,
Yes.
to their long-lost love.
Sa family. Hindi, joke lang. Ano, may iba lang. Syempre sa family. And,
other than family?
Sabi ko, walang ganito. Hindi, joke lang. Ano po? Hello, sa crush ko. Nanonood ka man ngayon. Hello.
Okay, hello.
Hindi niya alam na crush ko siya.
Are you gonna write a song like that? Na parang mag-crush kita pero hindi mo alam?
Oh my God.
That's a song idea.
Santiguar.
Santiguar.
Yes, that's a song about my crush.
Okay. We'll talk about that later. Okay, so once again, we have Diwata joining us. This is live, the Concert Series. If you have any questions, you send them in at RX931. You could put it all there in the comment box. Another question. The name. Very, very big now. It's related to food. Ano ang pakiramdam mo nung sumisikat na yung pangalan na Diwata? Ano yung pakiramdam?
Iniisip ko, bakit related sa food
diba?
yung
Diwata? Yung sumikat online.
Paris pala.
Did you feel awkward? Para bang copyright ko yun pangalan ko yun
Actually po, ginagawa pa po naming meme. Like, ginagaya namin si Diwata Paris. Like, dito may susi. Tapos yung cake na nakaganito. Ginawa ko po yun ng birthday ko.
Really? So, you guys played along with it. Do people ask you about it?
Oo, marami po pag gigs. Tapos asan po yung Paris? May pa-Paris ka ba?
Only music.
Yeah, and overload.
Overload.
Tapos minsan nga po, sabi nila, parang hindi na po, parang matupal na yung paresan ko. Tapos ngayon nag-graduate na ako. Nakaka-focus na po ako sa paresan ko.
So, para-paraan lang pala. So, si Diwata, para makilala, Pares. Tapos music.
Overload.
Music na yung overload na. Overload.
Yes.
But it's cool. It's cool that you played along with it. I mean, that's just the fun part about it. Okay, so the songs you're performing for us today, ano yung mga kantang ipo-perform? Mga bago ba to?
Dati pa pang original songs, pero meron po yung ipo-perform na latest single ko.
Alright, what's the next song you have for us?
Delikado.
Ano yung kwento about Delikado that not a lot of people know?
Ano po siya, tungkol po siya sa mga mixed signals and pang-ghost.
Maraming pinagdadaanan. Tuhukayin natin yan. Maya-maya. Ladies and gentlemen, got on live. Diwata and her band. This is the concert series here on The Monster.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
With writing songs, what's it more... English, Tagalog, or Bicolano? Ano yung the dialect?
Bicol.
Bicol talaga.
Yes.
And you know, when it comes for you writing, I know it gives you that, kumbaga, to get their culture out there. Do you explain it to your listeners? Mga foreigners, when they ask you as well?
Pag tinatanong po.
Yeah.
Yes.
And my goal for you is to be used in the Department of Tourism. Galing eh. I was telling them, I feel like an eagle, like flying. A bald eagle. Yes, ang galing, galing.
Thank you so
have you ever
much.
been used sa mga soundtracks for movies?
Hindi pa po. Pero marami pong gumagamit sa TikTok ng songs para gamitin siya sa mga Mayon Volcano videos.
Oh, really?
So, mga travel vlogs, yun po yung gamit.
Galing. And how do you feel about that? Do you ever message them like, uy, ako yan, royalty?
Ay, di naman po. Parang promotion na rin po siya sa song and then sa place.
Yeah. But you did mention earlier that you started out as a reggae sound. Can we get a sample of the reggae? Can we take it back a little bit?
Oh no! Oh my God.
Naalala mo ba?
Oh no. Alam ko yung mga nasulat din ng songs na reggae. Pero
tingnan natin.
So baduy. Di joke lang. Ng song ko ha. Pero hindi yung genre.
Ano title nito?
Oh my God, Buhay ng Estudyante.
Okay, here we go. It's live tonight. Sample lang.
Legit na first time ko ito matutugtog ng... oh my God.
Monster exclusive yan, ha? Okay, here we go.
Ang buhay ng gangster. Eto na. Buhay estudyante. Nakakaiyak, wasak na wasak. Nakaka-stress, pag magmahala na best pag natapos mo ang buhay estudyante. Legit na
Walang magbibideo. Ay, alam mo yun. Walang makakalabas.
Ang galing.
Pero marami pala sadyang nakalay pala to.
Oh. I could probably
Wrong
find
move.
this sa mga notebook mo na Katleya or na kulay green apple na notebook somewhere.
Katleya, legit na Katleya.
Yeah.
Yung mga nilalagay pa sa yung mga parang filler, yung ganun.
Galing. So, on the get-go pa lang, may songwriting na talaga. Did you ever perform that sa school? Sa mga school foundation? Sumasali ka ng Battle of the Bands? Ganon.
Yes!
And nanalo?
Hindi.
Hindi. But it did, somehow groomed you
Yes.
to be where you're at now. Galing.
Din talaga mag-start tayo sa mga cringe na mga bagay. So makikita na lang natin na, nag-improve tayo.
I mean, do you plan to release that as a mixtape? Alam mo yun, di ba, yung mga underground, after
Okay lang ba?
two platinum hit albums, after millions of streams, in comes the B-side. Reggae.
Oh my God.
Diba?
New branding tayo. Magpapa-dreadlocks din, no?
Diba?
Sige ba?
Diwate. Yeah. It's the
Ay,
reggae
di pala
outfit.
tayo. Please.
But for you, I mean, as a songwriter, what's a song now that you're currently hearing on the radio that you wish you would have written?
Oh my God. Hala.
Bad?
Siguro, hala, ba't ngayon to wala akong naiisip. Pero siguro, yung alam mo ba, girl?
Yeah. Ilis Morena.
Alam mo ba, girl?
That would be...
Yes, pwede rin.
Yeah.
Kasi gusto ko rin actually ma-explore yung hip-hop na genre. Ako si Lil Labuyo.
Do you rap too?
Lahat sinampulan.
Sample. Break it down.
Duman sa may gada na kino, hapo ipalubong tamuklat ang saro.
Hey! Gang! So it's about the concert series. I can imagine your shows. You probably, siguro yung show nito, sobrang buhay, lahat. Grabe. Okay, any shows? Upcoming shows?
Sa 3 po, sa Sipokot, sa Bicol.
Sa Bicol, mabiyahe pa kami.
Mabiyahe mo pa bukas.
Mabiyahe pa, okay.
Magbubas ako, yes.
Uy, okay. So, biyahe sa Bicol. And then from there, any other shows?
Meron pa ata po. Di ko lang po. Ay, sa July 18. Sa naman po, Mose.
Mose, okay.
Yes, yung Mitski cover night. And marami pang iba.
All right. This is exciting stuff. And of course, follow your socials where they could hear your music.
You can follow me at ako ay Diwata on IG, X, Facebook, and on TikTok and YouTube.
Do you have I don't make pares? Do you have that? May
Nasa
disclaimer.
Nasa bio, I don't make pares.
Masarap ako magluto. I don't make pares. Ganun.
Pero marunong po ako ng Laing Bicol Express with Siling Love You.
Love you.
I love you.
Now, when you write songs in your dialect, has your grandparents heard it? People from your town
no.
and also like parents. What did they
Yes.
feel when you let them hear your songs or their reaction?
Actually,
They
yung
must be really proud. No?
sobrang proud po sila. Especially yung grandmom ko na nasa heaven na. Yung last song na napakinggan niya is yung Kalangitan na song na na-release ko. And nung pagka-send ng producer ko sa akin, pinarinig ko agad kilala kasi sila nasa hospital na and basta yun na yun. Tapos yun yung last song niya rin narinig.
Hey, that's awesome.
And sobrang, nakasmile lang sila kasi di na siya nakakapagsalita nun.
Yeah. But you had a moment with your grandma.
Wala, di ko siya nakita nun kasi pandemic.
But she heard your song.
Yes.
And I think she'll be very, very... I'm not gonna make you cry here. I'm just saying, ang galing. Kasi laking lola din ako eh. Kaya, I feel you.
Pangit po ako pag umiiyak, so no.
Alam mo, pwedeng mag-acting to. Pwedeng ang galing, multifaceted. Diba? Collab. Is there somebody you wanna... Do you have a song with Gika Marie?
No, si Arthur Miguel meron.
You should have a song with Gika Marie.
Yes, please.
And a show with Gika Marie.
Ano,
You're blue,
Dog
she's
show
blonde. Diba? Yung ka-randomness nyo. I think it'll be a hit YouTube show.
Mag-podcast kami.
Yeah. I think that would be the hit. Okay, so like for you, sino dream mo na makasama mo on stage if given the chance?
Oh my God. Syempre
I mean, you and Jika are friends. You guys are good friends. You know she opened for Coldplay. For you, who would you want to open for?
Oh my
or
God.
Or who would you want to open for you? If sky is the limit. Oh, diba?
Grabe naman yun.
Diwata, live in Manila.
Featuring. Wow. Okay. Kung local artist or dito sa Pilipinas, yung Ben and Ben talaga like sila yung
opening act mo.
Wow, grabe naman yun.
Ben and Ben opening act.
Pwede yun, di ba? Sorry.
The label can make it happen.
Nagpaparinig na po ako. Pero yes, Ben and Ben, baka naman. International, sige punta na tayo kay Ed Sheeran.
Ed.
Si Ed. Kaluwag, di joke lang.
Si Ed ka na. That's a different Ed.
Sorry.
So with Ben and Ben, have you guys written a song together?
No.
You haven't yet. But then they are your mentors, which is
yes.
So this is your time, your chance to be a mentor to songwriters out there.
Actually, magme-mentor po sana ako makakauwi po ako sa 20 sa Bicol. Merong camp ulit. Yun yung camp na...
Who you were from?
Yes.
Galing. Is this the one with Noel Cabangon and everybody? It's a different camp.
No, it's a different camp. It's the Wani Project.
Okay, so with this one, I mean, if you're gonna mentor, ano yung payo mo sa mga tao na ikinig ngayon? 3 payo mo sa mga songwriters.
3 payo. Sulat ng sulat.
Ay,
3 words.
Keep writing.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yun na po yun.
Sa mga heartbroken na sumusulat, paano mo perform yung kanta mo kung heartbroken ka pa rin?
Ano po?
Parang beauty pageant eh.
Pressure naman to. Wait lang. Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe na kailangan mo lang talaga magpatuloy sa buhay mo. And kung ano yung nafe-feel mo talaga, isulat mo lang ng isulat. And thank you.
And you can make a lot of money off this. So say thank you. Thank your band too. They're here. These guys have been sound checking, been playing very hard. Oh, you have any greetings, guys, before I let you guys go?
Hi.
Amen.
Happy July.
July. The guy from down the street.
Si Arthur, ano?
Po.
Arthur Neri. Oh, di ba? Hey, my man.
Thank you, Kuya Will.
There you go. Ano bati mo, greet?
Bati ka sa pamilya mo. Wala ka.
No comment.
No comment. Alright. I-edit na lang daw sa live. Oh. Basa ka na ulit.
Okay lang yun.
Wala mo kayong narinig.
Last but not the least. For you, greet mo.
Sorry po. Ay, sa pamilya ko, sana mahal niyo pa ako. Basta po, thank you.
Have a safe trip in Bicol and we'll see you back when you come back, okay? Or what's the last song you have for us? Is this your latest song?
Uuwi na talaga ako.
Ano latest song mo?
This is, pauwi na ako.
Pauwi na ako.
Yes, dito ka na.
Message mo sa sarili mo sa panahon na to.
Wag mong ipapanalo ang intrusive thoughts mo. That's
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give the round of applause. Making her concert series debut. Let's give it up for the last song. This is Diwata, live with us here on the concert series on The Monster.
The concert series. Live on The Monster.